Hi everyone, today I've got a fun exercise for you. We will write a Python function that validates an IBAN. An IBAN is an international bank account number used to process cross-border transactions. And today, we're going to check if it's valid by following a specific set of steps. Here's what you need to do. You should write a function that takes an IBAN, removes any spaces, rearranges it, converts letters to numbers, and checks if it's valid based on the modulo 97 operation. The logic behind this process is based on an international standard that ensures the integrity of the IBAN. Take a moment and think about how you would approach this problem. Feel free to pause the video and try it out on your own. If you get stuck, don't worry. Check out my hints later in the video for some guidance. Before we get to the solution, let me walk you through the steps involved in validating the IBAN. First of all, we should remove spaces from the IBAN input. This will clean up the input, removing any unnecessary spaces. Then, we should move the first 4 characters to the end of the string. This shifts the country code and check digits to the back, because at the moment we won't be needing them. Then, we should convert letters to digits. Every letter in the IBAN corresponds to a number. For example, A equals 10, B equals 11, all the way to Z equals 35. This is relevant to the logic we explained at the beginning. And the last step is the modulo 97 check. After converting everything to a large number, we have to divide it by 97. If the remainder is 1, the IBAN is valid. Now, take another moment to try and implement this yourself. Remember, you can always pause and come back if you need more time. Now that you've thought about it, and maybe even did it, let's break it down in Python. First, we should use Python's replace function to remove spaces from the IBAN. Then, we should use string slicing to move the first 4 characters to the end. The next thing is converting the letters to digits using Python's OR function and a simple if statement. And finally, we should treat the entire string as a large integer and perform the modulo 97 operation. That's pretty much it for the logic behind the task. Now, we can run the program and check if it works correctly. And that's how you validate an IBAN using Python. Take the time to try it out yourself. You'll get practice with string manipulation, modular arithmetic, and character-to-number conversion. Good luck and have fun coding!